Could've been 30, could've been a G. Should've never snitched. Why you talking to police? Started looking at you funny when you're walking down the street. Looking at you like food, trying to see where they can eat. Me, I'm like Wallow and Gilly with the game. You don't really wanna act silly, behave. When I was on stage and a milli gets made. I need that breeze. I feel sorry for Skepta, they copied these flow, but they said that it's a new flow. Imitation don't flatter me, but it's cool though. Should've ever left the guy alone in my studio. Put them in the coffin, get them on a tombstone. Yeah, I got a half of the price of a Kudo. Living like a boss man, nothing like Hugo. I need that good price. What the plug turn pagan, tweaking, ticking inflation. Peace is needed, getting impatient. Blood, everybody getting complacent. Leg, work, step on the pavement.
Hello everyone, I am Ishan from grade 8 and today I'll share my wonderful experience in working this AeroBay Lab constructed at JBM Global School. This lab is such a high-tech and technology lab which has many machines which is loved at least by me.
The model that fascinates me the most is this jet engine, which helps me understand the aerodynamics of a plane.
Mount Rushmore when I'm looking for the big face. So much failure when I gotta get a replay. Gotta hustle hard with the flow, so I tell the DJ. Don't start the argument or you get targeted. Pistol unpocketed, very anonymous. Niggas be talking shit off of the populace. Finna start popping in front of your audience. When you wanna go, you gotta keep that fire. Bitch, I'm from the M-I-A-M-I. Gardens where all of the hardest reside. If Big Ultra did it, you know it's a vibe. Wet you, like to beat you in.